Hello everyone. Let's have a look on how to create a bootable USB in command prompt in the easiest and fastest way. First of all, insert a USB. Then go to the Home Start menu. Now type on the search bar, command prompt automatically will appear out the icon. Click the icon below, and then it will pop up this window. There's a few steps to follow to be able to make this USB bootable. First step. Type diskpart and then you have to press enter. If this window appears, don't worry about it. Press yes. Now step 2. Type list disk, then press enter. Here we can see that we have two possibilities to choose. The first one is the internal hard drive. The second is the one we have to choose, as we can clearly see it also has much less space inside. So, as we said before, we have to choose the second option, also marked as disk 1. Now step 3, type select disk 1 and press enter. Step 4, type clean, then again press enter. You may wonder why this process if the USB was already empty. I'll explain why. Even if it may seem empty inside a USB, there may be cache data that can compromise the entire process, so the command prompt provides to clean up everything you can't. Step 5, type create partition primary and press enter. Step 6. Type select partition 1, then press enter. Step 7. Type format fs equals ntfs quick. And again press enter. Step 8. Type active and press enter. And now the last step. Type exit, press enter. That's it. Now your USB is ready to go. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.